Hi guys, it's Simon C. Welcome to this new AI radar with my 3 favorite artificial intelligence news. AI needs experts, State of the Union and AI, Europe's softball approach to AI. Kaivan Alikani, CEO and co-founder of Compliance.ai and member of the Forbes Technology Council, writes that human input is usually used to improve algorithms' confidence level and accuracy, which in typical unsupervised machine-only AI algorithms falls well short of business standard 80%. Human-in-the-loop models excel at quantity but still have serious limitations as they ignore the aptitude level of people, answering a question or flagging an error, ending up in treating the same way the least skilled employee and the top expert with domain expertise. Indeed, real expert analysis is needed to eliminate errors, identify gaps and fine-tune classifications. Otherwise, AI could increase your risk exposure. Thus, she says, a better model has emerged, expert in the loop, which weighs aptitude and can even over time write your judgment based on your past performance. EITL excels at quality as it increases the confidence level of the AI assessments and provides peace of mind for vetted experts auditing the AI-produced results. Alikani sees expert-in-the-loop artificial intelligence as a powerful job-creating engine, especially in those specialized, heavily regulated fields that require constant document processing, like tax law. Once experts are recruited into a variety of industries to train AI, she thinks that they will find new opportunities across the economy. In particular, they will be free to pursue new business models that lower operating costs, reduce risks, and serve an exponentially greater number of clients with far better results. But maybe AI needs also experts outside the loop. The Washington Post contributor Kat Zakrevsky reports how the US President Donald Trump neglected the tech industry in his 90-minute State of the Union address speech given on Tuesday night in front of a split Congress. The Trump administration Tuesday night release outlined the White House tech policy accomplishments, including the President signing the National Quantum Initiative Act into law and the formation of a select committee on artificial intelligence to coordinate research and development across government. But it seems that in his push to overhaul the country's infrastructure, writes Zakrievsky, Mr. President devoted less than a sentence to promise investments in the cutting-edge industries of the future. Additionally, Michael Kratsios, Deputy Assistant to the President for Technology Policy, pronounced only vague statements. President Trump's commitment to American leadership in artificial intelligence, 5G wireless, quantum science and advanced manufacturing will ensure that these technologies serve to benefit the American people and that the American innovation ecosystem remains the envy of the world for generations to come. On the other hand, points out Zakrzewski, Silicon Valley representative Republican Ro Khanna said that the President sets the agenda and the absence of a specific call-out in the State of the Union shows these issues aren't top of mind for him. We aren't focused on the key things we need to do to prepare for the digital transformation of our economy, he said. Well, let's see how the US administration will act to contain China's ambitions of achieving global domination by means of its huge AI national plan. Eileen Chivot and Daniel Castro point out that a report released by the European Commission's Joint Research Centre dismisses the need for Europe to win the AI global race, which sees China and the United States as its fierce competitors, and argues instead that for the EU, the more important goal is focusing on developing values and ethics in artificial intelligence. Since China is also aspiring in particular to use artificial intelligence to compete in industries where Europe is leading today, argue the writers, the EU will be severely limited in its ability to shape the values and ethics of AI if it is not leading the development and adoption of this technology. To further explain this EU's weak approach to the current AI race, Chivan and Castro quote a Harvard Business Review article that described the difference between those who play hardball versus softball. Hardball players pursue with a single-minded focus competitive advantage and the benefits it offers. They play to win, and they do. In contrast, softball players aren't intensely serious about winning. They play to play. And though they may not end up out-and-out losers, they certainly don't win. When it comes to AI, they write, China is playing hardball, but Europe is playing softball. China is not just playing catch-up with the West, as the Commission's report implies. It is planning to leap over Western economies and seize nothing less the global AI dominance. Okay guys, it's all for today. See you next time with AI Radar. Bye.